Hello fellow YouTubers. I decided to do a little experiment on these dash cams I bought a few years back. The software on this is, well, the date is February 26, 2017. If you can see it. It looks like this. You've probably seen them. I can't remember where I bought it. Off of, I think either Amazon or something. Anyway, I bought it because I wanted to have some videos of, you never know when some idiot try to run you over. Anyway, the picture quality on this one, it says it's 1080p, but it's not clear. And now it's saying goodbye. So, what I'm going to do is stick a memory card in it. And what I do, watch the date that comes on it. Now it's saying the right date. Same date before, and it's recording. And I'm going to zoom around in the house a bit so you can see the video. Probably look better outside. There's my screen on my computer. I think it's about $50 for this online or something. I was looking online and they have these cameras. They've been out for a while. So I have some videos on these with this one somewhere. I don't know if I got them on my computer or not, but anyway, I'm doing a little recording with it. So that's about a minute. There, this is a minute. Unplug it. Take out the card. The second one I bought, I still have the box. I still have the booklet. You probably recognize it. It used to work great. I bought it. Well, the software, I think it says 2015. Memory card I'm right. The reason I stopped using it, it would record but it would not flip and record over the old. It would not continuously record. You know how these things work. Anyway, I can get plugged in. Sound is off. Got a little light on in front of it. Right now the sound's off for some reason, I don't know why. Take this thing off. Got an AV output, an HDMI port, reset button. Well, this camera used to work perfectly. Give me a second here. There's a resolution. If I remember how to use this dumb thing. So it's 2014 or 101. That's the firmware update on. That's when this one was put out. So plug it back in. It also, you can go in. Oh, here it is. You can zoom in and zoom out. For some reason, the sound is off. There it is. Sound's back on. Took a while to understand what's going on, but... So there's the picture. It's in 1080p, as you can see. But there's a bigger picture of it on... Oh my. There. There's the picture. I'll be loading the picture up on the computer from this card if it does work. But like I said, this one here has been recording for a minute now. And the reason I stopped using it, it would record but it would not loop the recording. The firmware is, there's the firmware. The thing that was put out. I still have the box. The only reason why I don't have this anymore, the power adapters broke. So I went from the second one, the first one I bought, to use it, and that broke. Big feet get around where you plug it in on the end. There's the box. I still got the box. It's a nice camera. It worked great. Back in the day, it used to work great. Now, I'll unplug this. Get rid of that. And it's still going. You probably heard that go off and on. That's what it does. So I plug it in. Oh, it just died. So, the other one I bought, it's out in the truck right now. This one. It's a 4K dash camera, DC17, and it's got the yellow flip. It's out in the truck, as I said, and it took a while to get it working. I had it all set up. But this was all came with, this was the hardware, I do believe. That's it, that's where the camera came in. You can Google this. I ain't gotta show you any pictures, but you can Google that, this name, and watch other people do videos of this camera. That's what I did. I went online, Googled it, watched their videos. I picked and chose. I went online to see which was the best 10. This was in the category of a good camera. I think it was in 7 or 8. Best 7 or 8, best 10. But when it comes with it, USB cable and little adhesive stickers to put your cable through. A little tool to poke in, a plastic tool to poke in the cable into your around your windshield and your doors and all that. You probably watch videos of that. And one of the other mounts, the sticky mount and the suction cup mount, like this. It comes with a suction cup mount, but it twists on back, not like that. I used a suction cup mount because I didn't want to use it. This one here is got the adhesive. I didn't want to use that, but that's what comes with it. Oh yeah, I'll put this back in here. And there's the book. Come with it. I read a little bit on it, how to use it. But you can't go in and change the settings. That too. In the software, because it stays. The back camera that goes into your dash. It goes in your surroundings in back of you. It's 1080p. And outward appearance towards the road, through your windshield to see the front, is 4K. So that's what I bought. I'll put up the links of this one here and of the other two that I showed you that I found. They're on this is even on Amazon. I think that's where I got it from, Amazon. And I bought like this one from Amazon. I think now that's just about 50 bucks or lesser. That's about 90 now. I paid $87 for it back then, or $60 for this. I'm not sure. I have to, but it's been a while since I used it. It was a nice camera. You had a good back screen, nice and big. But this one here, it's got a very small screen and playback. You can play back through this, but this sounds terrible. But you can, take the SD card out, plug in your computer or whatever, or use the little cable that comes with it. Plug in your computer that way and see your videos that way. Anyway, that's about it with this. I thought I'll show you what I got. And sorry about showing the chair and what's down here in the basement, but I thought I decided to show you that stuff that I got years back. And this, I only had this for a week. The reason why I bought this one, I decided to get one off of Temu, and it was 1080p, and the back, it was the same design like this one, but it had the cable that goes in, plugs inside. I bought that one for $41, came to $51 through Temu. It was returned, but when you do a return through Temu, they do you a credit. So, and you have to fight to get that credit because you have to buy multiple things just to get free shipping. So I lost out on that camera. Even though I sent it back, I got a refund. Make sure when you buy stuff from others, websites and stuff, that you do your research. I did my research on that camera from Temu. It looked great. When I got mine was defective. So I decided to do the best 10. This was in the category. It's up to date. It's a 2023 version. That's what it said on the screen. So I just hooked her all up. Works great. So anyway, like, subscribe. Peace out. Cool. My new play toy. I won't be able to see it, but you'll be able to watch it.